ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಯೋಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೋಗ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೋಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಸನ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಸನಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೋಗ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೋವರ್ಗು ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಈ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಸನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೋಗಾಸನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಾರ್ಮಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೋಗಾಸನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, above the head, hands rise, join your hands and heel rise. Inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, heel rise and hands rise. Okay, next, above the head, join your hands, sidewards bending. Yes, inhale, exhale, left side and right side. Inhale, yes, stretch chest. Next, sidewards stretch, left side, right side, left side and right side. Forward and backward stretch. Yes, forward 1 2, backward, forward, one more time, backward. Yes, leg stretch, bend your knees, leg stretch. Yes, both the leg, right leg and left leg. Yeah, forward. Yes, yes. After the stretching, super yoga, first one, Veerabhadrasana, warrior pose, Tadasana sthiti. Yes, deep inhale, hand should be shoulder level, right leg back. Okay, right leg back and stretch. Right leg should be straight, left leg forward bend, knee should be 90 degree. Yes, body should be, upper body should be straight. Inhale, above the head, both the hands join. Exhale and neck bend back. Yes, same position, 10 count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Inhale, exhale, slowly come back to position. Left leg back, same as it is. Inhale, right leg knee bend forward 90 degree. Exhale, above the head join, neck bend back, same position, 10 count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Inhale, exhale, relax. Veerabhadrasana, warrior pose. Next, second one, Natarajasana, God dance pose. Tadasana ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Inhale, right leg bend back. Yes, and hold your right hand. Yes, then raise your left hand above the head. Inhale, exhale and bend. upper body bent forward and right leg should be stretched back. Yes, Natarajasana. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale slowly. Exhale. Same as it is. Left leg. Yes. Inhale. Left hand rise above the head. Right hand rise above the head. Left hand hold your left leg. Inhale. Exhale and bend forward upper body. And left leg stretch back. Hands and legs stretch back. Yes, same position. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale, exhale, relax. Nataraja Asana, dance pose, God dance pose. Next, Mallasana, Tadasana Sthitiyinda, spread out your according to your shoulder weight. Inhale, sit. Yes. Exhale, join your hands, fingers should be joined. Yes. Sit straight, body, sit straight, back, body should be straight, and your knees stretch back and your palm should be pressed tightly and look front. Mallasana, garland pose. Same position, 10 count. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale, relax. Mallasana, garland pose. Next one, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Yes, you sit your mat, straight leg stretch forward. Yes, sit straight, Dandasana. Yes, right leg cross your the left leg. Your left leg should be right side towards right side. Yes, raise your left hand above the head. Okay, yes, right hand should be support of your body. Exhale and turn your body should be right side. Okay, yes, same position, Ardha Matsyendrasana. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale, relax. Same as it is. Left leg cross over the right leg. Inhale, right leg should be left side and right hand should be rise above the head. Third, left hand support, back of support. Yes. Yes. Inhale, same position, 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Ardha Matsyendrasana of God fish pose. Yes, relax. Next, fifth one, Setu Bandhasana. Bend your knees and upper body should be bent back. Yes. Inhale, lift your
muscles, back muscles. Yes. Setu Bandhasana. Yes. Take elbow support, hand support should be, yes, your back muscles. Yes. Same position. Setu Bandhasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, slowly relax. Exhale, stretch your legs forward and slowly get up.
Yes, relax. And Padmasana. Next one. Padmasana. Yes, sit straight. Pranayama. Sixth one, pranayama. Yes, yoga mudra. Yes, yoga mudra. Thumb fingers and 2 fingers should be open. Index fingers and ring finger should be bent. Okay, and left hand Chinmay mudra. Inhale, deep inhale. Right nose. Exhale for the left nose. 7 times or 11 times. 11 chakras. Yes, inhale, right nose. Exhale, left nose. Again, inhale, right nose. Exhale for left nose. Deep inhale, right nose. Close your right nose. Exhale for the left nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yes. Relax. Stretch your legs straight and Shavasana. Yes. Relax your body. Shavasana for 5 minutes. Yes. Your hand should be, palm should be forward. Yes. Stretch your legs. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Totally body should be relaxed. Observe. Inhale and exhale. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Relax your body. Close your eyes. Totally body should be relaxed and observe your body. All the heartbeat, blood circulation and inhale and exhale should be observed. Totally body should be relaxed. Yes. Slowly turn your right side. Yes. Sit down. Yes. Super Yogasana. ಈ ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೋಗಾಸನ ನಮಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ and strengthen for your shoulders, arms, legs, ankle and back muscles. Open up your hips muscles, chest and lungs. Improve your balancing of your body and blood circulation and respiratory system, neck muscles and all the body, toe to head, your body should be balancing up your body. Yoga is one of the best asanas all around. Okay, ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಯೋಗಾಸನವನ್ನು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ರೀಎನರ್ಜಿಟೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ರೀಎನರ್ಜಿಟೈಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಬಾಯ್.